how to use skip-lagged rewards. Now, if you want to learn how you can use the skip-lagged rewards, which is the rewards that you have earned within Skiplagged. So when you come to your account, you can see your rewards and various rewards that you can use. Now, these rewards can be used whenever you're booking a flight or any type of booking from the Skiplagged app, like maybe a hotel or a place or a property or a flight. During the booking process, right? So just go ahead and select a certain destination over here. During the booking process, let's say there's a certain flight that you want to book. In this case, there you'll find the option to use the reward over there. So you can simply book right there, and you'll find the option to use your reward or credits if you have enough credits. So just select the use travel credit on the checkout page whenever it asks you for your payment information, and once you've done that, you should be able to go ahead and then use the skip-lagged rewards. I hope the video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.